Can you talk us through some of the major benefits that Crown customers have received?
Sure. So we've found that foundational benefits always come from standardising processes, centralising systems to reduce cost of ownership, getting accurate data and creating great visibility across the whole organisation. As a couple of examples, Tulip, a food manufacturing company with multiple sites and thousands of employees, have certainly achieved this. And we've also got some great insight from construction services provider Interserve on the visibility that the Crown system gives them. Obviously a key facet of what you wanted to achieve was to standardise kind of labour reporting across the business. Have you been able to achieve that?
Yes, we did. I mean, that was one of the main goals, to make sure that actually, you know, it was a vital part of the project really. We very much said to sites, right, you need to have a central cost structure, because this then would allow reports to be pulled off in a way that they could be site, they could be direct, indirect, they could be department, right down to shift. So everything we receive is in a consistent format.
Yeah.
So, you know, whereas sometimes if they're working on spreadsheets, you get it in one format for one site and then a different format for another site.
Different versions of the truth.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And it takes longer for the central teams who have to prepare all the, perhaps the KPI stuff, than to sort that data into a format to put onto the main board.
Yeah,
KPI.
so I guess it tunes in a bit to what Mike was saying earlier about you know, focusing more on productivity of information, comparing workforce data to production data, giving you real insight into the performance of the site and being able to compare it to other parts of the business.
The benefits are that it's now given us a standardised end-to-end process. Previously we had a lot of workarounds because data was maybe inaccurate or invalid. We now have validation on that data through the T&A system. It gives us a greater granularity of reporting. We can now pull off reports about where people are, which sites they've worked on in the past. We found that very difficult from a paper-based system. You would have to go through a lot of files. So the reporting is greatly beneficial to us.
So the next stage of benefits is really how the system improves the efficiency of your business and gives you the tools to gain insight to accurate labour costs and overall workforce performance. For example, Princess Yachts, who are a UK manufacturer of high-spec luxury yachts, secured significant business benefits early in their rollout.
We're currently using the business process management, which we use for a return to work process. Initially, it was a 7-step process that we've reduced to a 1-step, and that helps the managers obviously manage the absence and obviously the health and safety with the return to work. We also use the activity management tool, and this allows us to allocate hours to boat lines and to other activities, and therefore allow us to control and interrogate the time taken for certain things, and obviously improve the processes but also improve the boat build times.
So it's common that significant individual business benefits often combine to make a real transformational change.
Thank you, David, for taking some time out and sharing your thoughts with us today. If you would like to find out more about the benefits of workforce management, please visit www.crowncomputing.com.